We're gonna use in this video eye candy plugin in Photoshop to create this really nice 3D effect in Photoshop. This effect can be created in Photoshop, but we're gonna have to use a plugin, as I said before. So yeah, we're gonna use this plugin to create a really nice Chrome 3D text effect. So let's jump right into this video. Okay, so let's start with this video. So let's go to here. We have filter. So let's hover our mouse over filter, and then here we have exposure software, and then let's click on eye candy 7. So filter and then exposure software, and just install this software. It is plugin. You can use it for 30 days, which is amazing that you have this 30 days trial. Let's continue with trial, and then here I'm gonna click on, we can select Chrome, and look, already it just looks very nice already. So it's now the time we're gonna have to go to is first, let's check the Chrome, because here we have super nice, and I was super surprised that it's so fast and works so well, this effect. As you can see, if I hover over, it's just you can check all these effects, and they really look pretty good actually. Look high quality and very realistic in my opinion. Now of course you can use Blender to create, to play with the light, with the so many, but if you want something quick, this can be a very good option. All right, so now let's actually play with this. So actually first I'm gonna press on, if you want, we're gonna have to reset this first. If you want, you can go back, Command Z, Control Z, and you can go back. But what I want to show you here, the false, the surface bits, which is they're so like, look at this. You can add pips, you can add lumps, and then you can increase the depth, the bomb spacing, and increase also the depth, and they do look quite good. If you want, you can select none. You can also increase or decrease the bevel. We can also bevel height, again very helpful, and it looks nice. Also the smoothness, we can increase smoothness, and also round corner if you want to, and you can bevel placement. You can also add inside or outside, but we'll just go with inside. And now here, this is what we have, very fast. I think if you're doing this a lot and you need this kind of work, I think this plugin, it's really worth it. This now you just wait for this filter to be added to your work. Now I can add maybe a solid color, and can move this behind. If I want, I can change the color. Then I can click on OK. Yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.